Sabi nila, maswerte ako. Kasi karamihan sa ibang tao, hindi nakaka-receive ng warning. Bigla na lang, poof! At ayun, end of the ball game na. Finish line. That's it. Nakakatawa kasi akala mo death is something that you can visit. And pag ayaw ko, pwede kong sabihin na lang na nope, hindi muna ngayon.
Today.
Pero I can't do that. Akala ko tuturuan na ako ng sakit ng karayom. That the fear would fix me. But it didn't. Okay na ulit pakiramdam ko. Old habits returned. The same room, same fucking excuses. Alam ko yung risks. Alam ko din yung ending. And somehow, nakita ko ng bahagya yung pinto. Standing at death's doorsteps didn't fucking change me. Ito yung moment kung saan I failed. Kung saan ako bumalik ulit. At pretended that nothing happened. Habang naglalakad ako, I realized something was different this time. This time, it's not fear. It's understanding. I finally saw it. Not death, but life. The kind I'd lose if I kept choosing the same excuses.
Yo, Future Ego here. Hold on. I-set up ko lang yung camera natin para mas maayos. Yo. Hello, sound check. Let's go. Ayun, so I just finished editing yung pinakaunang video natin i-upload sa YouTube this 2026. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just a little bit of information about the video and kung bakit natin ginawa. Ayun, so early 2026, siguro first week ng January, nagkaroon tayo ng a little bit of realization na hindi na po pwede yung ganong klaseng lifestyle lang din last 2025, since yung pinakaunang video na na-post ko dito last time, if you are subscribed or kung napanood nyo na yun sa channel ko, I have provided the information na nagkaroon tayo ng heart attack last, I think 2 or 3 years ago, hindi ko na siya matandaan. It's all about it. Yung pinakaunang video na in-upload ko is it's all about the heart attack, and ngayon gumawa ulit tayo ng panibagong video katulad lang din ng last time, pero yung ngayon kasi is medyo focused na siya sa deep realization ko as a person, kung ano ba talaga yung pinakamagandang motivation para mas maging fit and mas maging healthy tayo for prolonging life. So before, ang pinaka drive sa akin kung bakit ako nag-start ng fitness journey is because of fear, kasi sobrang fresh pa sa memory ko kung ano ba talaga yung procedures na kailangan gawin once you had a heart attack. And that's the main drive. Yun yung pinaka-drive na nafe-feel ko before. Kasi takot ako ma-hospital ulit, takot ako matusukan ulit ng mga karayom and whatnot. But it's not sustainable. Kumbaga, na-realize ko along the years na hindi sustainable na takot lang. Kasi once na ma-feel mo na okay ka na ulit, babalik ka lang din doon sa mga dating gawi mo eh. And that's what I realized start ng 2026 na I think hindi sustainable yung fear to become a drive na maging consistent ka sa pag-achieve ng health goals mo. So that's why I started writing again. Siguro sa mga previous na audience ko na nakapanood nung first video is nag-attempt na din ako na maging full-time content creator that time, pero ayun, tinamad na naman tayo and hindi ko siya na-sustain. Right now, start ng 2026, hopefully magtuloy-tuloy na to and yun yung goal, yun yung pinaka-endpoint na gusto nating ma-achieve. Gusto kong maging consistent sa health and gusto kong maging consistent sa pag-achieve ng lifelong dream ko, which is pagiging full-time content creator. Ayun, so that's the reason kung bakit ginawa ko tong video na to. And again, I really hope na nagustuhan nyo guys yung message na kung ano yung gustong ipaabot ng video na to. Ito ay galing talaga sa kaibuturan. Charis. Hindi, galing to sa loob ko na gusto kong i-share sa mga tao na maybe nag-undergo sa same situation kung ano yung nafe-feel ko right now and before na nagkaroon din ng sakit. Even though hindi siya about heart, kung kahit ano man, and you decided to give focus sa well-being mo. Ayun, so sana moving forward, since may mga upcoming videos pa tayo na in the making, so may mga nasulat na ako na scripts sa moving forward, and hopefully mga tao na sumusuporta sa atin before, the same thing, suportahin nyo pa rin ako ngayon. Ito lang, I wanted to be clear na yung fitness journey natin is nag-uumpisa pa lang, and I'm not claiming to be some kind of guru kung ano man yung requirements or ano pa man. This is the journey. Ito yung pinakaunang step towards claiming your goal or achieving your goal in the future. Nakakaisang linggo pa lang tayo guys, and here's the thing, I actually search for it in YouTube, like yung mga tao na nag-start ng fitness journey nila, pero majority ng mga nakita ko doon is yung tapos na eh. Kumbaga, nag-upload sila ng video and then nag-start sila, and then on that same video, natapos nila yung fitness journey nila na victorious. Na-achieve na nila yung goal nila. Hindi ko nakita yung journey. Yun yung reason din, isa sa reason kung bakit ginawa ko tong video na to is I wanted to show the journey, not just the end point. Kumbaga, nag-start ako sa pinakauna na yung nag-decide ka na mag-start, and then gusto kong ma-prolong siya into a series na kasama yung ups and downs, like yung pag-rubber band, kung mangyayari man yun in the future. So, yung pag-give up mo kasi sobrang tamad na tamad ka sa araw na yun. I wanted to include that kasi feeling ko yun yung mga bagay na importante na makita din ng tao, not just the winning situation. I wanted to show the middle ground na wherein nakikita mo yung struggle mismo ng tao. Of me. Kasi ako yung pinoportray ko dito sa mga videos na, upcoming videos na gusto kong gawin. So, sino ba yung target audience ko dito? Actually, hindi, I don't want to say na this is gonna be a fitness channel. Ayoko nun. Gusto kong maging random. Like, there's fitness, there's inspiration, there's tutorials on how to be a content creator, parang ganon. So, moving forward, yun yung mga gusto kong i-upload dito sa YouTube channel natin. And hopefully, yung mga aspiring content creators, yung mga aspiring na tao na gustong pumayat and maging healthy moving forward is makita nila tong channel, and siguro baka magustuhan nila and mag-subscribe, di ba? Subscribe mo na yan kasi. So, just a bit of backstory lang since it's Sunday ngayon. So, Sunday na ngayon. Nag-start ako last Sunday din last week. Unfortunately, yung Sunday natin last week is inulan kami ng tropa. So, ayan, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nangyari that time. And nag-follow up naman tayo ng Monday. So by Monday, talagang nag-effort tayo na pumunta ulit doon sa pinag-judgingan and pinag-walkingan natin, which is sa Pakol. Pakita ko sa inyo a little bit of that. And nag-vlog din tayo doon sa mga oras na yon. Overall, ang days na nakapag-workout tayo last week, I think 4, pero hindi ko lahat na-include yun dito sa video. Kasi some of the workouts is in-upload ko sa Facebook. So, meron din tayong Facebook account wherein I will be uploading raw uncut vlogs ng workout natin. So, dito sa YouTube is the more polished ones and the more edited ones. So, ayun. Hopefully guys, supportahan nyo yung journey ko na to. And 100% I will be providing all of my effort moving forward para ma-achieve natin yung mga goals, and at the same time hindi lang para sa akin, para makapag-inspire din tayo ng mga tao, and makatulong din, makapag-build tayo ng community sa social media wherein yung community na yun is nagtutulungan about fitness, about content creation, maybe some gears of doing content creation as well. So yun yung mga target na ideas natin moving forward. Yeah, I think this is it. Kapag nakita nyo to, thank you very much. Maraming salamat sa suporta and sa panonood ng ating video. Keep on grinding and keep on inspiring other people. So maraming salamat sa inyo and have a great day. Yeah, thank you.